Edo Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo don yarn again say in government no go ever back down for the fight against cultism, no matter the kind threat or wahala wey come. As in dey talk to youth wey do one peaceful rally come government house, the governor come talk say the life and safety of every Edo person dey very important to am, say if dem no protect am as pikin, im for no dey alive today to be governor. Say dat na why im must make sure say today youth dey safe, say every Edo life dey important, and say dis fight against cultism na total one until dem stop cultism for Edo State. Oga Okpebholo come still talk say court violence dey pursue investors from the state and fit stop better development. E come also defend why dem demolish one building wey dem leak to Cultist, say everything follow due process and say im government no go back down. Oga Governor come also yarn say e no dey fear, say make Edo pipo too no fear, say dem go stop court killings, say dis cultists na enemies of the state and dem no go fit stop our progress.
At every point in time, that is coming to my heart is if I was killed as a youth, if I was in any way shot at and I died, will I be a governor today? No! So for that reason, every Edo blood matters. Yes. Whatever intimidation, whatever miss they are doing, it will not stop me. Yes. We must continue to fight on until we stop it. The truth is this, Edo must be safe. Yes. If you look at Edo State, investors don't want to come in because of killing, cultism, and so many other things that is happening in this town. Yes. The only way we can attract them to come in is to stop the killing, is to send those bad people away from here. Look at, I was just reading this morning about some group that said they came to do one or two things for Edo State. You do something for Edo State. Edo State have not asked you to come and kill. That is your own business. And the building in question that was even demolished, we didn't just go there to demolish. Why are we not demolishing everywhere in Edo State? Yes. Something happened. So I'm not afraid of them. Edo people are not afraid of them. The government of Edo State are not afraid of them. So we are resolute. We must fight on. So I want to thank you for your initiatives. Coming out to allow this very program that the cultism and the killing of Edo people must stop. So for me, I really appreciate all of you, and and for me, I am glad that you people have taken this stand to say we should not lose any blood anymore. So for that reason, I will just take the leadership of this your group. We go inside. I will show you some insight of what the havoc these people have committed. So that you will know that these people are our enemies. Yes. They want to kill our dreams. Yes. They want to kill Edo people. I will not accept. Let them make noise from here to anywhere. I will not listen to them. Thank you very much. God bless.
Chairman National Youth Council of Nigeria NYCN Edo Chapter Comrade Moses Agwenede Joseph come talk say Edo youth dey support the governor wella, say dem don tire for the court wahala and dem stand gidigba behind the governor's plan. E come yarn say the rally na wetin come out from meeting wey we youth across the state do, and say dem support every strong action to stop cultism and drug abuse.
As young people, we came up with resolution, we came up with ideas to help your government, to suggest to your government to fight cultism and drug abuse. This is the resolution, this is a communique as arranged by the youth of Edo State to help you when you have time you go to the excellency to look at it, to say this is what the youth and students say they want, and this is how we are going to support you for the fight against cultism and drug abuse.
We are on a peaceful rally against cultism and drug abuse. As youth leaders and young people in Edo State, we are tired of the killings. We are coming out today to tell the whole world that we are tired of the killings, and we are in solidarity with Mr. Governor for his fight and campaign against cultism and drug abuse in our state. Nobody sponsored us. You can see, if we are being sponsored, you will know. We are a coalition of student and youth groups in the state. And that's why we came out in solidarity. We had a meeting last week where we had student and youth leaders across the three senatorial districts, and we decided to have a communique to provide solutions to government to see how they can curb cultism and drug abuse in our state. And part of the resolutions of that meeting is a peaceful rally to tell the society, tell everyone in the state and the nation at large that we, the youth of Edo State and the students of Edo State, we stand strongly against cultism and drug abuse in our state. We came up with the resolutions where we brought together ideas to suggest to government on how to curb cultism. And we know that when the government of Edo State implements our communique, we are sure that meaningful results will be achieved. It's not a on one side fight. The governor has said no to cultism and no to court killings in Edo State. He didn't refer to any particular group. He said no to cultism and no to court killings in Edo State.
Now you want Boza for the shame again? Boza!
We are here to urge all the youth of Edo State to shun cultism, alongside shun the use of illicit drug abuse. Because as young people, the destiny of our state rests on our shoulders. And when you build the youth, you build the nation. Because we are advising parents and mentors to speak to their wards, speak to their mentees, that they should shun cultism, shun drug abuse. It is a collective responsibility. We as youth leaders were here today in solidarity. We are here today preaching against it. So parents should also go back home and speak to their wards, speak to their children to shun cultism and drug abuse.
Comrade Precious Oruche, wey be youth leader and human rights activist, wey sabi people know as Mama P, come salute the governor for the quick action when he don't take to fight cultism, and come also beg the governor to beg the police, say make them do correct investigation, make them not go punish innocent people for nothing. She come also yarn Oga Okpebholo say before he enter as governor, cultism be like ritual for Edo State, say them youths they support every step to end them and ready gidigba to stand by inside.
For the first time, a governor is addressing us. For the first time, a governor is addressing us. What a loser bomb for the governor there. Mr. Governor, Mr. Governor, my name is Mama P. I want to say to the press and the Edo State government house that this movement is apolitical. This is youth from the 3 senatorial districts of Edo State, Edo North, Edo Central, Edo South. We are tired of the killing. Augusta, before you came to office, cultism is a ritual. I mean, the cultist killing is a ritual. We have lost a countable number of youth to cultism. And we are here to say enough is enough. Whatever stringent measures you want to take, because we see it on the media that some persons are foiling it as though you are doing the wrong thing. We are saying we are behind you. Yes, whatever measures you want to take to curb cultism, take it. And when you need our help, we'll be standing. This is the tip of the iceberg. When you call, we will answer. We want to also use this medium to appeal to you, to help us appeal to the Commissioner of Police, not to rope innocent people into this arrest. Because we are aware that some persons have been illegally brutalized in the name of arrest. So we appreciate your efforts and we pray that God continue to give you strength to clean Edo State. One aluta bomb for the governor there.
This strong message from Governor Okpebholo and the backing from Edo youth shows say the fight against cultism na serious matter wey concern everybody. As Edo people dey unite to protect life and build better future, the governor don make am clear say cultists no get place again for Edo State. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojisali, TMC News.